It's getting a new rear body panel. I have a Acura RDX here. This one got hit across the back here. It's getting a new liftgate and it's getting a new rear body panel. You can see how this is all crushed all throughout here, and these bottom plates are all bent up. So I have my new panel right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this one apart. So I went ahead and I cut this chunk out of this rear body panel because I have to get to these welds inside of here, and I can get to them from this side, but it's going to be kind of hard to get a straight shot with a drill. So I cut open this side and I'm going to just grind them from this side. It'll be a lot easier. There it is. Well, this rear body panel is all fit into place. It fits like a glove, all prepped out, ready to go. So it is ready to weld. All right, well, I got this rear body panel all finished up on this Acura. I'm gonna send this one on over to paint, and they can paint the liftgate, the rear body panel, and the new bumper. And I'm going to dive into my next one.